Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. I'm just doing a sound sample on a G tuned to 528 Hz. 528 Hz is the frequency of love. This particular flute here is a customer's flute. It has a shiny finish. It will come an oil finish if that's what you would like. The oil finish flutes, they are a little bit cheaper because they don't take as long to make. But this flute here has a 7/8 inch bore. It's been bored using a gun drill. It was not been split. You won't have to worry about this flute cracking. The finger holes and the finger spacing, the holes are small. As you can see, anyone can play this flute. The finger spacing, they're not that far apart. This particular flute here, this customer, he wanted a wolf fetish with turquoise eyes. Now these flutes will come with different types of fetishes. I'll email you photos of the fetishes that I'm making right now. It's also wrapped with black deer leather, very soft. Folks, this flute here is awesome. I wish everyone could get the experience this flute when you're playing it. It has an awesome voice. I love it. Up on the bottom, it will have jdflutes G and then 528 Hz. Very nice. Right on the bottom. Like I said, this flute here is such a joy to play. I love this flute. It's a very high quality flute. Let me know what you all think. G tuned to 528 Hz, the frequency of love. Awesome. It takes very little breath. Folks, I've been making flutes since 2010. And I learn stuff new. I learn new things every day. God shows me new things every day. And right now I feel like these are the best quality flutes that I've ever made. So, if you would like a flute, just give me a phone call. My information will be below the screen and at the end of the videos. And they also have my email address. The best way, really, if you want a price list with options, and as of right now, everything is on sale. You can't go wrong with these flutes. They are high quality, they're concert tuned, and I promise you they are recording quality. You don't hear air in my flutes. This flute here is such a joy to play. I can play it all day long. So, if you would like a flute from me, just shoot me an email. I'll send you a list of prices with the options, the type of fetishes. I'll send you all the photos of the fetishes. And I promise you, you will not go wrong with these flutes. It's coming up 4th of July. Coming up the 4th of July. Today's the 2nd of July. Get out there and enjoy your family and your friends. Money's not everything. Money comes and it goes. You know, life's too short to not to be enjoying life. Get out there and enjoy your family for the 4th. You all do things. Have fun. I hope everyone be safe, and like I said, just have fun. Enjoy yourselves. Have a good one.